Euro against US dollar this week has fell in value, and we can see it's lost its value against US dollar, where the price reached at 1.11871 previous week, and from this resistance the price has moved down. We can see the price has reached at 1.10755 after 2 days with a bearish candle, Wednesday and a Thursday, and then on a Friday the price continued to fall down even more, closing the day below this very important support level. A week has closed like bearish candle. After the price has reached at 1.11871, it was expected that the price could retrace back down, and we can see this week the price has done just right that. And we can see that this week the price did not close below this open price, which is also a very important information. The month we have this month closed because today is the last day of this month, so we can see how this looks. This looks like a bullish breakout about 1.09860, which is a great information, a great signal for the bulls, but we can see that the price has reached this uptrend channel resistance line, which is preventing the price from moving easily up. What is very important is that the price has moved above these open and close price, and it has closed this month above that, which is a great information for the bulls. But we have next month that needs to be confirmed that this bullish breakout has been validated, which means the price should not return below 1.09860 in the next month. So for now, for this month, for the next month, the levels where it is expected that the price could go is again very close to 1.11871. When the price reached, we can see that it will be very hard for the price easily to move up, because we can see the price at the first attempt has been retraced back down. The weekly time frame shows us also similar information, where the 1.11871 is very important level, and we can see 1.09860 is also a very important support level. If the price stays above next week, it will be a great information for the bulls. They have stayed above this support line, and it especially is very important that the price goes above this trend line, which is acting as a resistance right now. The daily time frame shows us that this is as a very important support level. 1.0980 is a very important support level for the price, and it will hold the price as much as possible. But if it breaks, this will be information that the selling pressure is very hard, and it will push the price even more down. Now for this one, what I'm expecting next week is that it will continue to fall down at least to here, where the next small support is around 1.102, and below that 1.101. This is the next level where it is expected, so we'll see what happens around this confluence of support, because we have a horizontal support and this a trend line on the daily time frame, which is acting as a support right now. If there is any information, I will share that inside the Telegram group, which will be free for traders. You can also check the link below, so you can join for free to get the daily analysis updates during the week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.